Hello, I have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house for sale. We're about 3 minutes from the city limits of Grangeville, so you're out in the country. This is a really nice house. It has a really big shop on it, has some horse facilities. So if you're interested, let's go take a look around. My name's Earl Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate. All right, as you walk into the house, you enter into the living room. This is all laminate flooring in here. It's a nice big room, has a sliding door access right out to that very large deck. We're going to turn the corner here and look into the dining room. And from the dining room, you go straight into the kitchen. It's a perfect sized U-shaped kitchen, lots of cabinets. And now let's go check out the bedrooms. All right, from the hallway, we're going to turn the corner and the laundry is located right here. If you don't like the laundry here, it probably could get moved down into the basement without too much difficulty. And then we slide into the master bedroom. You've got some windows here, the closet, and then there's also a walk-in closet over on this side. Now we'll go ahead and continue walking back down the hallway. Halfway down, we'll find the bathroom. Has the water closet and then the shower and tub right there. And then the second bedroom is also located on the main floor. Nice spacious room with a big closet. All right, now let's go down into the basement. All right, now we're down here in the basement, and this is a very, very large room. As you can see, there is some built-in shelves in here. There's also some cabinetry over here in the corner. There is a wood-burning stove down here as an extra heat source for this. This here is the bathroom down in the basement. There is a shower and full tub inside of there as well. And then as we come out, there is a third bedroom here. There is a closet. There's actually a nice little workbench there too. So if you wanted to use this for an office or a reloading room, anything else like that, but there is egress out of there. And so it is a safe bedroom. Right here to the other side of the shop, we have a very large pantry and storage room. And this is actually the workshop that we're going to go into first. So lots of storage, brand new water softener that is owned, has just been installed, and water filtration system. This is on a well, but it's a great producing well. Don't forget, we're going to go out and look at the shop and all the horse facilities here in a second. This is the pantry I was talking about. Lots of shelving in there, plenty of room to store lots and lots of food. There's also access here to the back through the sliding glass window. This property is on 5 acres. It is cross-fenced, and so make a great little horse place. Real quick, we want to take you through the oversized garage here. Have lots of shelving built inside of it. Electric door. Now let's go check out the shop. All right, this is the shop. It's very, very large. There's 2 roll-up doors for it, and you can see there's 3 bays there for a machine shed. So let's go inside and look around. All right, here we are inside the shop. There is this huge workbench, pegboard already set up, lots and lots of storage. There's some cabinetry built inside of here. There's that loft for some extra storage up high. Has the big barrel fireplace with the heat exchanger on it. Keep it nice and toasty in here during the winter months. There is a bathroom located inside of here too. There's also the pressure pump for the house. And now let's go into the kind of middle bay and show you. So here you go, this is the middle bay. Plenty of room to park a good sized vehicle in it. Has the roll-up door. And again, just a great place for some extra storage. There's a loft built up inside of here too. And now we're gonna go out and show you kind of the machine shed and some of the horse facilities. All right, here's the machine shed. There's 3 bays here like I talked about. The center one is actually, the top has been cut out to be a little bit higher. Don't ever measure tape with me, but I'm over 6 foot tall. This is probably 10, 12 foot easily to get in here. So, and it's also very deep, and so it gives you plenty of room to park just about anything that you would need to. There was an overshot camper in here. This is where he parked his very large John Deere tractor. So here we go. Nice addition to that shop area to have all this storage under cover, and would make an excellent place to store hay too if you are going to use this with your horses. All right, speaking of horses, here we are down in the horse area. We have a storage room. We also have a tack room all set up. We've got some covered area for the horses here. We've got some feeders right here that's all covered and out of the weather. You see the loafing shed back there in the background. And then there's also some room right back here for some hay storage. There are multiple smaller places up front. There's a couple of small lots that are fenced off and have grass, but then the rest of the 5 acres, there goes a doe. I don't know if you got that on the camera. She's waving her tail at us as she runs away. But this field is fenced and cross-fenced, and so you can rotate your horses here and try to keep that pasture just as long as possible. But this is the dry lot. Nice metal panels that stay here with the property for your horses. So just an excellent facility if you have 2, 3, 4 horses into being able to keep those. So this is the time of the video where I like to remind you that we are the only brokerage in North Central Idaho who consistently videos their listings. So if you find this content valuable in your home search, please leave a like on this video. If you have time, also leave me a comment. I always appreciate that. And I also want to let you know, if you're interested in this property, please give me a call. My phone number is right here at the bottom of this video. I do not pay Realtor.com or Zillow for your name. So if you want to contact me, please call me directly. And then I also want to let you know, if you have interest in this property and want some more information, go down and check the video description here on YouTube. We have a wealth of information down there, like the price that you're going to want to know, and also the link to the 3D walkthrough that we do on this property, as well as to our website. So with that said, thank you very much, and we look forward to getting you moved here to Idaho.